Hi folks, welcome to Guaranty RV in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a really nice hideout from Keystone. This was a 2018, it's a 2.4 BHSWE model. It's in really great shape. It's almost like new. It's got some great storage in here. Looks like someone added some carpet in here to give so nothing slides around. It's got a nice big outside awning. It's a double axle. Spot out here if you want to hook up a TV outside, you've got that option. You got outdoor speakers, power awning, and it's got a nice little outdoor sink and grill and a fridge, which is nice for a unit at this price. It's a lot of value. All right, let's check out the inside of this beautiful pre-owned unit. It's got a nice big stainless steel sink, lots of storage. And these are deep storage in here. These are deep, which is nice. Nice microwave, 3-burner cooktop, good size fridge, double bunk. Here's your ladder up here for the kiddos. Good size bathroom. And then back over here, we've got some nice storage. You got a nice closet, some drawers here. You've got storage underneath this big U-shaped dinette area. Movable table, which is nice. You can pull it out when you need some extra counter space and then put it back when you're done so you can eat. Nice TV entertainment system. And then as we come into the bed, room area. Nice storage. Really a nice starter unit for someone who wants to get into RVing for sure. Really a beautiful unit. Folks, if you like this unit or any other unit here at Guaranty RV, come see me, Big Sal. I'll be happy to help you. My number is 951-443-8323. Thanks.